Hey everyone, so I just wanted to show you this hydroponic tower system for growing various different plants. Wanted to show you what comes with it and kind of explain how it works. So it has a pretty simple design actually. It may look complicated, but it's not. Basically, you have like a bucket here with the lid. The lid is currently closed. And you have this tower. And inside the bucket, there's a small little pump with a little tube, and the tube goes all the way up to here. And if I lift this up right here, you might be able to see this part right here. This is where the tube comes out right there, that little hole, and it's gonna bring up water to the top. And as the pump pumps the water to the top, it's gonna drain down into these little holes right there, and those areas are gonna collect water. So pretty much it brings water from the bottom to the top, and it just drains down kind of like a normal fountain would. And then in these slots right here, you could put these guys right here, and this is where your actual plants are gonna grow. So they provide you with a bunch of these little, I guess, cups, cone-shaped cups. They also provide you this soil kind of material. So what you would do is you would soak these in water for maybe like 30 minutes. Then you put them into here, and you can insert your little seed, whichever seed you're using these tweezers. Just put that in and, you know, put it in wherever you want. I think it just kind of goes in straight. There you go. And they provide some stickers like this to cover this area and kind of like protect it from the sun for a little bit while the seed grows. And then you just basically wait for your plants to grow. Right here is where you add the water. This is kind of like a rubber funnel that goes right here, which is pretty cool. And then this is the water level. As you add the water, this little bobber is gonna rise and tell you how much water is in there. You get the power supply. This is for the pump that's inside there. And you have a couple other accessories. Like for example, you have this thing right here, which is kind of like a smart power lock. You can turn it on and off right here. Or if you scan this barcode, it'll let you download an app so you can control the pump from your phone. You can turn that on and off or whatever you want. And then right here, there's more of those guys right here for these. They also include some of these labels. This is so you could put those labels in wherever you want, like maybe right here or right here, and label whatever plant that is so you know what you're growing. They have different colors for those. They also have these little filter guys. These are just replacement filters for the pump that's in there. In case it gets clogged, you guys can replace those. But overall, I would say this is a pretty cool and unique hydroponic tower where you can grow different plants inside your home and kind of have fun while you're doing that and benefit from receiving those plants and having them be right at your home. So pretty cool product. Check it out. Should be very good experiment.